Hello to you all, and today I'm going to show you my top favorite skincare products which I use daily and almost in day and night both the time. So आज हम वो चीज़ें देखेंगे. So hope you like this video, and these are my favorite products. Like ये मैं so most of the things मैं ये daily use करती हूँ, and इसको मैंने बहुत बार परचेज भी किया. Like again and again I restock them whenever there is sale or something, because these are my holy grail product and I cannot work without them. So I'm going to show each and everything which I love, and I will repurchase again and again and again. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and if you like any of them, you can also purchase if that suits your skin, because I have very dry skin. So with further ado, let's begin with the video now. So my first product is by Beekman, and this is Bloom Cream Daily Moisture. How cute is the packaging? You can see if we press it like this, and this is how it comes, like a petal kind of thing. They have this one in it, a very cute product. And इसका मैंने अभी बड़ा वाला like large bottle भी order किया है, which is so nice. This is so soft for your skin, and इसको आप अच्छे से लगाओ, and this is like so cute bottle. I really love this. This gives a beautiful texture to your skin. ज़्यादा oily नहीं करता. As I have a dry skin, yes, this gives a perfect moisture जो मुझे चाहिए मेरे skin के लिए. You can use it in day or night whenever. I usually use it in the morning time when I wake up from my like sleep. So this gives a perfect hydration. It's not that like creamy जैसे आपने touch किया and वो बिल्कुल ही ऐसे तेल सा लग रहा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. And this is the perfect one which I really love. Yes, इसके 3 sizes आते हैं. So this is the medium one, I think so. I'm not sure about it. And इससे बड़ा वाला भी एक size आता है, and that one you can refill. It comes with like, इसको आप open नहीं कर सकते. जो मैंने बड़ा वाला लिया है उसको आप open कर सकते हो, and then you can refill it, so you don't have to buy again and again the bottle. So that is a very plus point which I really loved. So for this one, I am fan of Beekman this time. I don't know why. मेरे को इसके सारे products इतने अच्छे लगे. First, it's made from goat milk, which is very moisturizing for your skin. Second, it's a clean product. Like most of इसके जो products हैं are really clean. So I really love it. So this is the one which I will repurchase again and again. So the second product is again by Beekman, and this is the milkshake. Can you see how beautiful is this one? The 2 shade, and if you shake it, it becomes a perfect toner. This is what you have to apply. People apply like that only. No, you have to shake it, you have to mix that thing which they have inside, and then you can use it as a toner. It's a facial toner mist which minimizes the pore and hydrates and soothe your skin, which is really nice. This is so hydrating, especially in summers. You go anywhere, you can take this. It comes in a travel size also. So this is one of the product which I use every alternate days. So I use 2 toners every day. So one is this one, and the second one I'm going to show you soon, like in today's video itself, and which is really one of my favorite too. And this has goat milk and probiotic extracts, so I really love it. So ये धीरे फिर से अपने उसमें आ जाता है, and then whenever you want it, you have to shake it and then apply it, so that it gives a perfect effect to your skin. It's glowing, it gives a natural glow to your skin. So my third product is by Good Molecules, and this one I was talking about. This is one of the toner. Yes, I will repurchase again and again because it gives such a brightening effect to your skin. I really love it. It has niacinamide, and it's a brightening toner which has so many beautiful things in it, and it is a clean product also you can get it in Ulta if you're living in US, or you can just find, if you get this brand wherever you are living, but this is such a pure product. It's not so expensive, which I really love it, and it does the job so well. Good for your skin, especially for the dry skin. I'm so scared of dry skin because I have that and I really don't like. I like my skin to be glowing, so I'm gonna repeat it again and again. I'm sorry for that, but please bear with me. I have dry skin, I cannot do it, and for that I use the products which keeps my skin really good. So my next product is this one, which is from Sunday Riley. This is the Luna Sleeping Night Oil, which is helps your fine lines wherever we are aging. Yes, everyone does. Nothing to worry about. If you have this product, nowhere you're going anywhere, because this has retinol, which is such a beautiful thing for your skin. And yes, I use it daily in my night routine because I really love. This is my, I guess, third or fourth bottle, and whenever Sephora is having sale, I just grab this one because ये काफ़ी दिन भी चल जाता है. So I really love this product. If you like it, screenshot this one. And this has changed my skin, I can say. Like I'm not sure that it will suit everyone's skin, but yes, it does suit me. So you can just try it. Take a small it comes in 2 sizes. One is the smaller one is the larger pack. Go for the smaller one, try it, see if वो आपको सूट कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, and only then invest in the bigger bottle because it is an expensive product, yes, but yes, it बहुत दिन चल जाता है ये, because आपको बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा लेना पड़ता है. It's nothing like ये ऐसे blue color में आता है. So this is very nice, and I really love Sunday Riley's product because those are really nice for your skin. So I use it every day, and it helps for dryness, it helps for dullness, it helps for fine line, and aging के लिए भी help करता है. Like this is, and appears pores and wrinkles के लिए भी काफ़ी help करता है. So you can just try it and see it. If it works for you, go for this one. Now friends, for me this one is a holy grail, I must say, especially winter के time पे. I just need, this is from the brand Pharmacy. This is how it looks, and this is Honey Hello. So it is a ultra hydrating like cream. This is a cream, and it's ultra hydrating. It helps. This is how it looks, and it comes in 3 sizes, I guess. Yes, this is the smaller one or the medium, I don't know, but I took this in sale on when there was a VIB sale in Sephora. I'm sorry, short in words. So I got this one. So ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Like especially in the winter times when your skin is very dry, this helps. Especially मेरे बीच में स्किन एलर्जी हुआ था, थोड़ा रेड हुआ था, एंड आई डोंट नो, इट वर्क लाइक अ मिरेकल. मैंने इसको नाइट में लगाया था, एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग बहुत कम हो गया था मेरा रेडनेस. आई डोंट नो हाउ. मेरे को कुछ एलर्जी हुआ था विद वन ऑफ द स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स ओनली, बट येस, दिस डिड इट जॉब सो वेल, एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. अगर आप यहाँ पे रहते हो, लाइक इन US, यू गो टेक अ सैम्पल ऑफ इट, क्योंकि सिफोरा में आपको सैम्पल मिल जाते हैं. आप सैम्पल लेके आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, आप ज़रूर लेना इसको, बिकॉज इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट, एंड थोड़ा सा आपका बहुत अच्छे से ये मतलब ब्लेंड हो जाता है. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक आपको एक भर के पूरा स्कूप भर के आपको क्रीम लगाना है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. थोड़ा सा लगाओ, इट डज इट जॉब्स परफेक्ट, बिकॉज ये वैसे भी थोड़ा ऑयली टेक्सचर वाला क्रीम है. सो थोड़ा सा लगाओगे, आपका पूरा फेस कवर हो जाएगा, एंड इट विल वर्क वेरी वेल, आई एम श्योर, बिकॉज ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है. बिकॉज Then people, this is one of the sunscreen which I really love. There is one more I'm going to show you later, but yes, for today I'm going to show you this one. Is from the Hero brand, which is 4 Shield Super Light Sunscreen, which has SPF 30. You can use it daily. You should use it daily. Sunscreen, yes, if there is sun or not, you have to use it for UV rays. And it's like it doesn't give any white cast. जो सबको प्रॉब्लम रहता है कि वाइट कास्ट हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा भी सनस्क्रीन लगाया तो पता नहीं कैसे वाइट सा लगता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इसके साथ. मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है ये लगाने के बाद मेरा स्किन और ज़्यादा ग्लो करता है. लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ देयर, दिस इज़ हाउ इट कम्स. एंड एक ऐसे से पंप लो, दिस is light minty green color का है. And if you just blend it, it's like such, there is no white cast, there is nothing in this. Like this is such a beautiful sunscreen which I came across. It's budget friendly, you can use it daily, and it is ultra breathable SPF. It's airy, sheer, good for your redness too, because it has a green tint which helps your redness. So this is one of the thing which will, like, it's really nice. So my next one is again from the pharmacy. This is the whole Honey Grail, and this is the ultra hydrating facial oil, which is, again, I use it in the daytime. So it gives a beautiful like ultra hydrating skin, and उसके बाद आप मेकअप करो, oh my god, your makeup will look such a beautiful like glow देता है. And this, अगर आप इसको without makeup भी लगाओ, ऐसा लगेगा कि आपके स्किन में कुछ और लगा हुआ है. Like this is so good. And this also I got in sale, so on sale. So this is very good because it has antioxidant, and this is like it's a very pure product. It has honey in it, which is very good for your skin. So yes, this is an oil. First I showed you the Sunderelli, which is the retinol oil. Now I'm showing you, this is from the Hero brand. This is the retinol night cream. If you don't like the oil texture and you prefer the cream, this is the one. This is very budget friendly, and it is like nighttime renewing cream which has like retinol in it. This is really nice, very smooth for your skin, and yes, you will see an effect within 2 to 3 days, because it's so glowing for your skin. In the morning when you wake up, you'll see the difference. It's good because it has the clean products in it. It doesn't have any kind of chemical in it, which is really nice. So अब अगर मेकअप किया है तो मेकअप तो उतारना पड़ेगा, एंड अच्छे से प्रोडक्ट से उतारना पड़ेगा. So this is from the True Botanicals, which is my 3rd bottle, and this has ginger turmeric cleansing balm, which is so nice. It's completely natural, no chemicals in it, and this is so good. Just take it in hand, rub it, अपने फेस में लगाओ, एक भी मेकअप आपके फेस में नहीं रहेगा. अच्छा सा वाइप लो, जस्ट वाइप इट ऑफ, वॉश योर फेस. यस, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि आप इसको सिर्फ लगाओ एंड डोंट वॉश योर फेस. यू हैव टू वॉश योर फेस, बिकॉज मेकअप थोड़ा सा रह जाता है. चाहे आप जितने भी बाम लगाओ, क्लिनजिंग ऑयल लगाओ, कुछ भी लगाओ, यू शुड वॉश योर फेस आफ्टर योर मेकअप इन योर नाइट टाइम. मेक इट अ रूटीन, डोंट स्किप दिस, बिकॉज उसी से आपका स्किन ब्रेकआउट्स होते हैं, रेडनेस होता है, स्किन डल लगता है नेक्स्ट डे. सो यू मेक श्योर कि आप उसको ज़रूर करो रूटीन में. एंड दिस इज़ really नाइस. This I got from Ulta, and शायद अब ये Ulta में नहीं मिलता है. So I got it from their website. They keep on running sale or something. You can go and check with True Botanicals. This is the brand, and this is a very pure product, and really loved it using it. So the next one is again from Beekman, and this is Omega Milk Fermented Barrier Boosting Facial Oil. This is not an oil, I don't think so. But yes, it comes in kind of like थोड़ा सा thick texture है, like it comes like a milk thingy. But yes, you just have to apply few drops and massage your skin. Oh my god, whenever I use this one, I don't know what happened to my skin, like it gives such a beautiful glow, which yes, I am craving for. Like मेरे को ग्लो चाहिए मेरे स्किन में. आई रियली रियली लव इट एंड दिस इज़ द वन विच आई यूजुअली यूज़. आई डोंट यूज़ इट बिफोर माई मेकअप, बट येस आई यूज़ इट इन द नाइट टाइम रूटीन, बिकॉज उस टाइम आपको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ता है, सो दैट पूरे नाइट जब आप सोते हो वो स्किन आपका अच्छे से उसको सक करता है, जो भी आप चीज़ें लगाते हो अपने फेस पे. सो आई रियली रियली लव दिस वन. सो ये आई थिंक इसमें कुछ फर्मेंटेड समथिंग कुछ चीज़ है. येस, गोट मिल्क तो है ही है. मतलब इसमें ऑयल भी कुछ होगा. आई डोंट नो बिकॉज इट्स सेइंग बूस्टिंग फेशियल ऑयल, बट द टेक्सचर इज़ सो गुड. यू जस्ट मसाज इट एंड इट्स माई नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विच मैं मॉर्निंग में यूज़ करती हूँ. दी ऑर्डिनरी ब्रांड का है. दिस इज़ द 100% ऑर्गेनिक कोल्ड प्रेस rose hip seed oil, which is again for dry skin. It helps for brightening. It's very very light. It's not that heavy kind of oil जैसे ऐसे ऐसे करेगा नहीं. बहुत ही अच्छा सा आपको ग्लो भी देता है, बहुत ही अच्छे से ड्राइनेस भी हटाता है. लाइक बिकॉज आई हैव ड्राई स्किन, स्पेशली दिस एरिया, sometimes this area, so this helps a lot. I every day use it in the morning. And yeah, next product is from Garnier. Oh my god, they have so many different like अलग अलग कलर्स के varieties हैं इसमें, but I really love the orange one. I don't know why. This gentle peeling water, it has no rinsing, no rubbing, cleanse, remove every makeup, daily exfoliate करता है आपके स्किन को. नॉर्मल टू सेंसिटिव के लिए है. like it's a very very clean product again, and I really love the orange one instead of any yellow or the pink and the blue जो भी है इसमें. सो आई रियली लव दिस वन, द ऑरेंज वन. तो ये मैं डेली यूज़ करती हूँ. इसका बड़ा बॉटल आता नहीं है, यही वाला साइज़ आता है. सो ये ख़त्म होने के बाद मैं एक और लूँगी, क्योंकि दिस इज़ लाइक आई after my skincare. If you want to see my nighttime routine, do comment down below. I'm going to show you completely how I do my nighttime after my makeup is done. And so I'm going to show you, अगर आपको चाहिए कि कैसे मैं रिमूव करती हूँ, कैसे मैं प्रेप करती हूँ अपने स्किन को नाइट के लिए. This is one of the product I use it daily. So my next product is this one. This is from Beekman again, and this is the multi-purpose Wonder Milk Buttery Botanical Gel. Sorry, this is a moisturizing. It's petroleum free, and it's an ointment kind of thing. इसका multi-purpose है. I was just reading it again and again, so that मैं इसको मतलब ट्राई करके देखना चाहती हूँ ये कैसा है. मैंने वहाँ पे अल्टा में ट्राई ज़रूर किया था इसको. यू कैन यूज़ इट एज अ हाईलाइटर. आई एम नॉट सेइंग like you will get a gold kind of effect or a silver or a champagne kind of effect. No, it's a very clear product, and it will give a glass kind of glow kind of look. If you can understand like मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ, like it's a very very clean and clear product. So वो मैंने ऐसे ऐसे करके थोड़ा टैप किया था, and gives such a glossy effect. You can use it for dehydrated skin, patchiness. अगर आपके lips भी फट रहे हैं, आप वहाँ पे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. chapped lips, cut, burn, after shaving, sunscreen, sun relief and more. Like it's a very 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 nice product because it is clean again. So यही थे मेरे favorite products जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किए. like the things which I will buy again and again and again. मुझे जितने भी मौके मिल सकते हैं, I'm gonna buy this because I really really cannot do without them, and I really love them. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do let me know how did you like this video. ऐसे वीडियोस और भी चाहते हो कि नहीं, या मेकअप वाले वीडियोस चाहते हो, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. सब्सक्राइब किया बिना मत जाना प्लीज़. बी अ फैमिली ऑफ मी एंड सपोर्ट, एंड आई लव यू ऑल. टेक केयर. बाय.